Nothing happens in the county without us getting our hands on it first.
We want to be the first of the first responders. We want to help.
We handle over 1 million calls a year.
We need people and we need leaders.
We're the linchpin to the public safety ecosystem that relates to police, fire, sheriff, or rescue within the county.
There's so much room for growth. There's so many different departments and ways that you can go here.
We're touching all parts of the community to make sure that we represent the people who call in here so that they feel comfortable calling.
It is very unique to Fairfax County that we share the same pension plan as the first responders in the field.
You don't need to be 21 to start here. You can be 18 right out of high school.
If you are interested in this job, you are able to do a sit-along pre-hire process.
So it's just not coming to a job. You will write your own resume here.